We got what looks like a painted turtle, I think. Not sure. It's laying its eggs. It's covered in moss and algae and dirt. You can barely see its head sticking out. Just walking here back to the car. Whisquaw was about to sniff it. Stopped her though. Pretty cool. I've never seen this before. See what it does. I'm gonna get back. Got this orchid here. Barely opened up. It's a weird flower. Purple, yellow. Wow. There's a ladybug in there too. 2 ladybugs in the top one. Never seen a flower like that. I think it's an orchid. We're here at Fish Point, so by the water. There's water right there. Never seen one of them before. A lot of blackbirds out there. Flowering bush. Good for the bees. Cattails. People actually eat the roots of the cattails too. Pretty cool. I've never tried it. Just hear stories. Just heard a woodpecker off in that stand of trees. We got some cattails here, the big fuzzy things. And then a little algae covered ditch area. And those things over there, I'm pretty sure are invasive. I forget what they're called, some kind of reed. But at least they got some cattails. Pretty cool. The blackbird right there. Yeah, on that log. Not sure what kind. Pretty cool. There's a few more over here. Windy, so at least I'm staying kind of cool. 90 degrees. There's a bunch of milkweeds, common milkweed, growing all along this trail. Little wildflower. Frogs everywhere though. There's one. Oh. Yeah, a lot of frogs, a lot of blackbirds. No turtles or anything yet. Oh, here's a weird flower. Right there. Never seen that one yet. Here at Fish Point Wildlife Area. A lot of frogs jumping in the water. Blackbirds. Seen a couple mallards already. Gray egret. They use this place to help control water levels and flooding. A lot of migratory birds pass through here. It's part of the Saginaw Bay birding trail. You can hear all the frogs jumping in. See some of them. Blackbird right there. Flew up in that tree. Pretty hot out today. 90 degrees. But looks beautiful here. Got a muskrat swimming right there. See it? Oh, it just came up. Was underwater. That's pretty cool. I never got a video of them underwater before. The water's pretty clear here. It's kind of a brownish color though. Muskrats eat a lot of grass and weeds and other stuff. The beavers, they're a little different, a little bigger too. And they eat wood, mainly bark. We got a tree swallow right here too. Right in front of us on this tree. Pretty cool. Blackbirds, of course. There's another tree swallow on that one too. Got some kind of sparrow here. Oh, there it goes. Pretty cool. It's a bigger one I'm used to seeing. A little opening here. More wetland, a whole bunch of it. We got some deer running through there. Oh, they just stopped. It's one for sure. A Little flock of red-winged blackbirds here. Seems like more keep coming. More over here. Oh, yellow warblers. Nice. They just flew off down there. Try to get a photo. Brought my camera today. I don't know if you can see that blackbird balancing right there. Got Whisquaw with us. Got a few different wildflowers here. These purple ones I've never seen. And these yellow ones. See a lot of the yellow ones. Pretty cool. Really hot out. Got a tree swallow and blackbird on the same tree. All these trees are dead, they got flooded out. Oh, there goes the tree swallow. It's got a house right there. Just landed on it. A lot of marshland here. A lot of birds, a lot of tree swallows it looks like. I see about 10, 15 out there right now. Wow, there's another one. Little straggler. Just about done here at Fish Point. Then it's on to Gagetown Wildlife Area. Trying to find the lake I've never been to. Yeah, these invasive reeds really aren't that nice. You can't see over them. Can't see anything in them. Surprised I didn't see any turtles though. That was a surprise. Oh, there's a blackbird out there on that island. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Another one. Tree swallows again. Tree swallows seem to be about the most common swallow. Pretty much anywhere there's bugs. Little algae pond. Sometimes I see turtles out there. Not today though, it doesn't look like. Probably too hot for all the turtles. That'd be my guess. Probably underwater. Oh wow, here's a weird looking flower. It looks a little past bloom. Some type of orchid. Maybe it's not past bloom, it's closed up though. A wild orchid. There's a little ladybug in there too. That one's not closed. Wow, I've never seen one like that. That's an interesting plant. Wow. Got a Monarch Butterfly here. Right in there. There it goes. It's coming at me. Flying. I think it's after these thistles. There is some... Oh, there's a bee on me too.